how to remove profile picture on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and of course it will lead you to your home page. Now on the bottom part you'll see 6 different options there. What I want you to do is to go here to your menu and then tap on see your profile. Here on see your profile, you will see your profile there. Of course, if you tap on that, you will see 5 different options there. And then what I want you to do is to actually see profile picture there. Then tap on see profile picture there. And then on the upper right, you will see 3 dots there. Tap on delete photo and tap on delete. Now just wait for it to be deleted. Just refresh here, and as you can see, you will see this auto profile here since you have deleted your profile picture. And basically that is how you remove profile picture on your Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.